Welcome to WK Auto Reviews. In today's video, we take you inside one of the most extravagant motorhomes ever built, the 2026 Penthouse Lamborghini motorhome. This is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of power, luxury, and engineering brilliance that blends the essence of supercar performance with the unmatched comfort of a luxury apartment on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Lamborghini motorhome demands attention with its aggressive lines, bold stance, and signature Lamborghini styling cues. It's built on a custom chassis designed to handle high speeds and long-distance travel with ease. At the heart of this beast is a hybrid twin-turbo V12 engine, producing over 850 horsepower. This ensures not only immense power for open highways, but also seamless cruising for long road trips. The advanced suspension system adapts to various road conditions, offering a ride that's both powerful and smooth. Step inside and you are greeted with a penthouse-like interior that redefines luxury living on the road. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in the finest Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and hand-stitched detailing. The living area features a panoramic roof, smart glass windows, a 4K OLED entertainment system, and fully customizable ambient lighting. The motorhome also includes a gourmet kitchen equipped with top-tier appliances, including a smart fridge, induction cooktop, and marble countertops. This space is not only functional, but also a design masterpiece. The bedroom offers a queen-size memory foam bed with massage and climate control features. There's also a walk-in closet with motorized racks and an integrated safe for valuables. The bathroom rivals that of a five-star hotel with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a voice-controlled smart mirror. For those who need to stay connected, the mobile office setup comes with a retractable desk, high-speed satellite internet, and built-in AI assistance. Lamborghini has not forgotten about the technology either. The motorhome is controlled via a central touchscreen interface and a dedicated mobile app, allowing owners to adjust climate, lighting, security, and even vehicle performance remotely. It features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree vision for easy parking and navigation in tight spaces. Solar panels on the roof and a high-capacity battery pack ensure sustainable energy for long off-grid stays, making it ideal for luxury travelers who demand the best of both worlds. Every detail in the 2026 Penthouse Lamborghini motorhome is crafted to perfection, combining Lamborghini's legendary performance with next-level comfort and innovation. Whether you're traveling cross-country or setting up at a scenic mountain view, this motorhome guarantees an unmatched experience in luxury mobility. If you enjoy this review and want more in-depth looks at the world's most luxurious and high-performance vehicles, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to WK Auto Reviews for future updates.